Scorpio Nations, welcome back again to my channel and to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you're new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is not your personal reading, guys. Remember to take what resonates and don't manifest the energy of others. This is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see. For the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, about love, money, career, business, and studies. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine angels, spiritual animals. Show me the cards what I need to see. For the star sign of Scorpio. If it will not happen to you guys, the energy could be happen to the people around you. In your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors, or in the society where you belong. Do not manifest the energy of others and use your own discernment. This is not for all Scorpios. I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path. Okay? Let me see your high energy, intense, magnetic, sexy, powerful reading for today. Before I start my reading, I would like to greet you all. Happy holidays. Season's greetings to all of you. Well. Let me see your card readings for today. This is your Christmas reading. I am inside the room of a guest house. I'm not at home. I'm on vacation. First, we have the tower. This is an Aries and Scorpio energy. You could be dealing or attracting an Aries, a Scorpio, or a person who has Aries, Scorpio in their birth chart. Could also be any other sign. This is an unexpected ending, a major upheaval, a loss, a separation, bankruptcy. Somebody's lives are crumbling down. It could also that these are the group of people who painted illusion on you. These are the trickery, lies, and manipulation. Could also that this is related to a relationship. Somebody here manifested you that you are going to have a relationship which is they tried to manifest your destruction. This is related to your career, your love life, could also be related to your money, and they are not the one who is experiencing this. I don't know what they have done on you. Of course, I couldn't specify because this is not your personal reading. For some of these people, guys, they are now experiencing bankruptcy. They're losing tenancies. Oh my gosh, they are nervous. They doesn't want me to talk. Their lives are crumbling down for coming against you. There could also be here a divorce or a separation. They didn't expect this to happen. Could also that this is a prophecy. And you warned them though, but they ignored your warning. Now, this is happening in their lives. This is scary for some of these people because they didn't expected this to happen in their lives. You could be the final test before the destruction. I don't know what they have done on you. And this is the current situation. The universe advises you to let the tower fall because this is unavoidable. Do not mix the problem with this person or group of people, especially if they are asking your support, because these are the same people who manifested downfall in your life. And in fact, the painted lies and illusion are the same. The painted illusion on you because they doesn't want you to succeed. And that's why they are now experiencing the tower. This is the karma. I told you. This is an exposure, a revelation. This could also be an awakening call. For some of these people, guys, they don't believe in karma. They don't believe in God until they cross your path. And this is the current situation. Somebody here could also be having an epiphany, a realization of all the things in the past. An Aries, a Scorpio is involved here. This could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors or in the society where you belong. Others of you, you don't know them and they don't know you as well. They just cross your path because you are the one who is going to awaken them. You could be a walking karma for this person or group of people, and that's why they come across your life. Now somebody here is having an epiphany, but it's too late. They are experiencing all their wishes towards a new. Let me see, your challenge here is the Two of Cups. Your soulmate is involved here. Could also be a past life connection who perceive that you are their soulmate. A soulmate is not necessarily a lover. Could also be a friend or family. This person is now having an epiphany of who you are in their lives. Could also, this is the couple and their relationship is over. Could also be that somebody here engaged you to a love triangle and they never choose you in the past. They choose the other person. They choose the illusion over you. It could also that this is in your workplace. Somebody believed the illusion painted on you. And now it is being exposed. And this person have seen the truth of who you are. They have an epiphany that you are their soulmate. I told you. A water sign is involved here. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio could also be a couple. But they couldn't repair the damage they have done. This is over. I told you, the tower was fallen. They forgot that you are the tower in Tarot Torah. For some of these people, they knew that you are the tower. You are the tower. But out of curiosity, jealousy, and greediness, that's why they didn't pass the final test. You look, a water sign is involved here. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and Aries, a Scorpio, or a person who is your soulmate. Could also that these are the mockery of the group of people, and your soulmate participated in this particular situation. Could also that they're collaborating against you. Somebody or a group of people are believing the lies about you. For some of these people, guys, they engage you to a coven. They painted illusion on you. And now everything is exposed. I told you. They just pressed the wrong one. And now they're experiencing this. They realize that you are. Could be their family in the past life, or they realize that you are their soulmate. Somebody here wants to meet you face to face, eye to eye. This person perceived that both of you having a potential to be partner, or this person perceive you as their divine counterpart. Could also be that both of you having the same, chemistry. Could also that these are the couple who wants to return to tell you that they wants to support you after all the chaos, the destruction they created in your life. I told you, they wants to tell you that they are here to support you, that they loves you. Could also be the past people in your family, in your workplace, your ex, in your surroundings, in the community, in the society. Take what resonates because everyone is different. This person wants to meet you, could be during spring season or Cancer season. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio is involved here, and Aries or a Scorpio. Could also be any other sign. A person who perceive that you are their soulmate. Could also be the power of two. A couple could be, there could be a significant meaning with the number 2, 20, 22, 222. This is the alignment of your purpose. It could also that this person is your soulmate, your divine counterpart. Now they are awakened and they want to support you, and it's up to you if you're going to accept them back in your life or you are going to reconnect with them. This could also be a powerful reunion, and this is your challenge. Let me see, your spiritual lesson here is the Four of Wells. A Capricorn is involved here, Taurus, Virgo. Could also be the power of four or collaborating against you. Number 4, 40, 44 is significant on this reading. 42, 24. Please pay attention. This is related to your stability because you did your work. Somebody have perceived you that you are stingy, you are selfish because you are no longer generous to them. You know why? In the past, they are only using and abusing you. If this is in your family, other people have perceived that you are always there to support them. This is like the group of people who wants you to work and they're going to spend all your hard work, the money of your hard work. Because for most of you guys, you are very generous and compassionate to them. Now, you are no longer generous and compassionate because these are the people who only wants to take something from you. And when you need them, they are not supporting you. I told you. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is involved in the situation. Others of you guys, your advice are to maintain the balance of your life, to acknowledge your accounts payable and receivable. Your advice are not to spend too much, especially during the time, this Christmas season. Maintain the balance of your life. This could also be the group of people in the past who painted illusion on you because you are no longer supporting them because they are only using and abusing you. A minimum of 4 years plus 2, 6 years, a minimum of 2 years. I told you. And that's why they painted illusion on you. And now everything is exposed. These are the lies, trickery, and manipulation. For some of these people, they engage into abracadabra, black magic, witchcraft. Love spills, money spills. Now, they perceive that you are selfish because you are no longer sharing them. Or they perceive you that you are holding back. You are not holding back. These people are so funny because they want you to forget everything what they have done on you. A minimum of 4 years, 2 years, a minimum of 6 years. Can you imagine? Because they perceive you that you are so kind to them, you're always supporting them. And now, since you are no longer entertaining them, you are no longer engaging your energy, they perceive you that you're holding back. You're not holding back. You know why? Because they want to control you. They want you to do the same what you have done in the past. Unfortunately for this person or group of people, because you are not the same person before. You have seen the truth of who they are. You look, these are the people who are fake. They're just smiling in front of you. They're only in your surroundings. They only come in your surroundings when they need your support. I told you. Now, they painted illusion on you because you are no longer supporting them. They are expecting you to work and work and work. And you are going to support them. You're not as stupid as that, right? And that's why you cut off the ties. These are the people as well who wants to control you. Your money, your life, your love life, everything. And that's why they painted illusion on you. Now they are being exposed. I told you. This is the part of their greediness, their jealousy, because they are losing the power to control you. An earth sign is involved here. Could also that they are now experiencing financial problems and they needs you. I told you. In the past, it could also that they scam your money or somebody here is using money to destroy you. Yeah, look, the tower is now exposed. Could also that they paid the coven. I told you. And you have learned your lesson. You are protecting your work because you realize that the times of your difficulties, no one is around you. These are the people who are only there for you because they only wants you to work and work and work. And they want you to support them for the rest of your life. Now you cut off the ties, you're no longer entertaining them. There could also be a money involved here. That's why they painted illusion on you. Could also be that person, these people, guys, you don't know them. They did this out of jealousy and envy. An earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. This is, again, the past situation. You are in this energy of the Queen of Wands. You know why? Because you take good care of yourself, you did your work, you take an action with your dreams, you bring it into a reality and align with your passion. I told you. And it could also be that there are lots of people who are adoring and admiring you, especially the players. And you are no longer entertaining the players because you are done. You are focusing on yourself, your money, your creativity, your hard work. Somebody here could also be painted illusion on you that the nature of your job is sleeping different partners to earn money. This is like a war. Somebody is accusing you that you have lots of multiple partners, you are a homebreaker, and now they are being exposed. They are the one who did this. I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path. I told you. You know why? Because you're no longer entertaining them. You're no longer engaging a player. Somebody here could also be engaged to a love triangle and they choose the other person instead they choose you. You look, now they are betrayed with this person with whom they have chosen in the past. This relationship is over. I told you. All the trickery, lies, and manipulation are now exposed. And your soulmate is involved here. Or this person having a past life connection with you. Or they perceive you that you are their soulmate. A fire sign is involved here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, a Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and a water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Could also be any other sign. Let me see. The future here is the Ten of Swords. This is an earth sign energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You drop the burdens, or somebody here wants you to forget everything because they perceive you that you're holding back. They want you to forget everything they have done on you. Can you imagine? You look, the Tower. They want you to forget everything because they couldn't carry the pain anymore. Whoever you are, so why you did this to me and my collectives? Now you complain that you cannot carry the pain anymore. In our time, when you do this, we never complain. You are always creating pain and burdens to me and my collectives, and we are not complaining. I told you. And he wants you to drop the burdens. Oh my gosh. This is the current situation, I mean. An air sign is involved here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is a closure. You said goodbye to all the pain you caused on me. Now they are the one who is feeling backstabbed by you. I told you, these are the people who will twist the story that you are the one who caused them pain because for some of these people, guys, they will not accept the consequences of their action. But this is over. Somebody here wants to close the painful situation because they are now awakened. They have an epiphany, but they are experiencing karma. The Tower, after Tower. They forgot that you're the Tower. For some of these people, they knew that you're the Tower. But out of jealousy and envy, they did this to you. Now they are in pain and they want to close the pain. They want to communicate with you. But you cut them off out of your life. You said goodbye because you have seen the truth of who they are and their intention towards you. Can you imagine? A minimum of 10 years, a minimum of 4 years, 2 years, 6 years. And he wants you to forget everything. Hello, whoever you are, go and heal yourself. You are so sick. We forgive you, but we couldn't forget. It doesn't mean that we're holding back. We have learned our lesson. I told you, and this is the current situation. You said goodbye to all the pain. They are feeling backstabbed because you are no longer talking to them. You cut the ties off. But you don't care. They don't care as well the time they did this to you, right? Go and heal yourself, whoever you are. Let me see. The future here is the hangman. They suffered in silence. These are the people who sacrifice you with abracadabra. Could also that they engage you to a coven. They paid somebody else, and that's why they are losing money. This is the part of their karma. You look, Pisces is involved here. Somebody here couldn't carry the burdens anymore. This is too heavy for them. Too heavy for you? Then why you do this to me and my collectives? You look, the ten of swords and the hangman. Too heavy for you? Oh my gosh, go and heal yourself. Somebody who could also be having an epiphanies. I told you, and that's why they wants to talk with you. You are no longer talking to them. You cut off the ties. That ten of swords is not a joke. These are the people who cause too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. Now, they suffered in silence, without communication. Because in the past, they don't care as well, hurting you, creating too much pain on you, painted lies on you, spreading rumors on you, engaging you to a love triangle, could also be a third party situation, and this is the future. They couldn't carry the burdens anymore, and they wants to end up, they wants to have closure with the burdens because this is too heavy for them. I told you, and this is the future. Somebody has suffered in silence. Or somebody having an epiphanies of who you are. Pisces is involved here. This is your energy, the emperor. You're leveling up. You have a structure in your life. You could be an emperor or an empress. You are building a solid and stable foundation in your life. And you are in this position of a ladder. And somebody here wants to offer you stability. But this person could be a territorial, or they perceive you that you are territorial. There could be a control issues here. Or somebody here wants to control you. Take what resonates because everyone is different. Could also be a matured father figure. You could also be a matured father figure. This is your energy. You don't need other people to validate you because you knew your worth. You knew what you can bring to the table. I told you. You are in this position of an emperor and empress, or somebody have perceived you that you are the divine counterpart. Could be an Aries or a matured father figure. Could also be any other sign. An air sign is involved, an earth sign, a water sign, and a fire sign. But you are in this energy of an emperor and empress. You are pregnant with many ideas, and you don't need other people to validate you. You knew who you are. And this person knew as well. And that's why they perceive you as the divine counterpart. Let me see. The outside influencer is the strength. A Leo is involved here. An Aries, a Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Scorpio, Cancer, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Somebody doesn't want me to talk. Oh my gosh. You take back your power. You're leveling up. You take back your power. You show this person a group of people who is the control of your life. In the past, they perceive you that you're a weak person. Now that you take back your power, double confirmation, they are struggling because you are too strong. Oh my gosh, I couldn't talk. A layer is involved. Huh? You tame the beast of this person or group of people. Their ego, their pride, now they are struggling. I told you. They believe that they can in and out of your life for the rest. They believe that they can in and out of your life for the rest of your life because in the past you are very compassionate, generous, and kind to them. They talk your kindness as your weakness. I told you. Now you have a structure in your life, you are building a solid foundation, and you take back your power, double confirmation. They have seen that you are not a weak person. I told you. And this is the outside influence. Alea is involved her. Somebody is struggling. Somebody is suffered in silence. They couldn't carry the pain anymore because the illusion depended on you are now exposed. Well, good luck whoever you are. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is the two of wands. This is a fire sign energy. Could also be a couple. Could also be that somebody engaged you to a love triangle and this person didn't choose you in the past. Now they realize that the grass aren't greener on the other pasture, but the grasses are greener on your side. This is your energy because you managed to be an independent person. You are tired of working other people who only steal your ideas, who only, I mean, treated you like an option. But also that this is your ex who betrayed you with a one night stand, and now they have seen that the person they have chosen, I told you, betrayed them as well. Now they wants to travel towards you, they wants to approach you, could also be a couple. Number 2, 2022 is significant on this reading. 2 plus 2 is 4. A Cancer is involved here. A matured mother figure, a matured father figure. Take what resonates or this person perceive that you are their soulmate. But this is your energy because somebody here in the past doesn't want you to be an independent person. But you did though. You are in this energy of an emperor, the strength, and the two of wands. That's why they suffered in silence because they couldn't control you. You are too strong. You are an emperor energy and the strength. I told you. Oh my gosh. And the outcome here is the Five of Cups. They are disappointed, regretful, and remorseful. Could also be the power of 5. There could be a significant meaning for you in the number 5, 50, 55, 52, 25 is significant in this reading. 15, 51 as well. Please pay attention. This could also be the group of people who painted illusion on you. Their lives shambles for coming against you. Remember, your first card is the Tower and it ended up with the Five of Cups. So regretful and remorseful. For some of these people, guys, they don't know you. They are just participating. This group of people as well who are painted illusion on you. And this is the outcome. This is also your energy because you have nothing to do with them. For some of these people, you support them, you love them, but they betrayed you. They backstab you with a 10 of swords. Bad mouthing, spreading lies and rumors about you. But now you don't care. They can spread all the lies and rumors. They are now exposed. You look. That's why they are the one who is experiencing this. In the past, they wants to give you a permanent painful endings. Now they are the one who is experiencing this. The Tower, the Hangman, the 10 of Swords. Because you are leveling up. You take back your power, the strength. Now they are disappointed, regretful, and remorseful. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to turn around. Do not cry over spilled milk that is wasted and cannot be regained. You cannot change the past. You can only accept the past and to start a new life. This is over. Or these are the group of people who are now disappointed because their plan on you, the illusion, the pain they caused on you, it didn't work. Instead, you bounce back as the Queen of Wands and an Emperor, and also a strength. You are no longer sacrificing them because you are awakened of who they are. You look. Now they are the one who experience all their wishes on you. Good luck, whoever you are. That's what you want for somebody else, and it will come back to you, right? Well, let me see why the Tower in this reading, please, because this is the first card, the Tower. It is the fattest, the beast of them holds with. I told you. These are the people who wants to tell you that you are on the wrong path. That's why they painted illusion on you. Now, they are exposed. These are the people who wants to control you, who painted illusion on you that you are like this, you are like that. But also that this is related to beliefs, tradition, culture. They wants to tell you that you are on the wrong path. Oh my gosh, whoever you are to tell somebody else that they are in the wrong path. An Aries and a Scorpio is involved here. Well, now we are not in the wrong path. You are being exposed for painted illusion to me and my collectives. The tower was fallen. Good luck whoever you are. Go and heal yourself. You are so pathetic. Oh my gosh. Why the Ten of Swords, sir, please? It is clarified as Lebenslust. This is the love of your life. This is over because you dropped the pain and you are just doing the things that makes you happy. Or the universe advise you to do the things that makes you happy, and do not listen to this person or group of people who said that you are on the wrong path, because these are the people who have a dark energy. They doesn't want you to transform. They are now exposed. You look, and now who is on the wrong path? Oh my gosh, whoever you are, go and heal yourself. An air sign is involved, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Could also that this person wants to tell you that you are the love of their life. I told you, and he wants to end up the pain they cause on you, because they are feeling backstab with the ending. These are the same people who spread lies and rumors about you, who tarnish your reputation. Now, they wants to tell you that they are going to support you. Remember, your challenger is the Two of Cups. An air sign is involved with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Could also be a person has an authority. Why the Two of Cups, sir, please? It is clarified as give yet alles. This person wants to do everything because this person perceive you that you are their soulmate, a past life connection. That's why this person is willing to do everything to have an access in your life, because they perceive that you are their soulmate. Could be a water sign or an air sign, because these are the cards come out here. Take only what fits in your story. Why the Five of Cups in this reading? Please tell me more. Why the Five of Cups, sir, please? It is clarified as Lucille to Meisterschaft. Wow. You have that K. You are ascended as a master. And you have that K to become a successful person. And somebody here wants to have that K. That's why they did everything to throw you under the bus, and it didn't work. Now they're disappointed. But also that they are competing on you. You look, because they wants to be a champion. This is like, what is the Game of Thrones, the movie, and they have seen that you have that K for Master Shop. Master Shop is for the championship, and that's why they tried to painted illusion on you, the tower. They did everything. They backstab you, they tarnish your reputation. Now they're disappointed. They are the one who is experiencing the pain. They are regretful and remorseful. They are competing on you. You're not competing on them. I am reading with Scorpios on the right path, because they wants to have that K, the championship. Now they don't have the K, and instead they are being exposed. You cut the ties off, you level up, and you expose the truth about this person or group of people. Now they are disappointed. But somebody here is involved in a particular situation. This person could be your soulmate. That's why they wants to do everything to have an access in your life, because this person loves you. They wants to give you give and take. The championship is over. You are the champion. Now they suffered in silence. They want to talk with you, because there's no communication here. They felt backstabbed that you are bossing up, the emperor energy, and that you take back your power. You cut off the ties of this person or group of people, because you are done. You look, these are the people who are competing on you. Could also be that this is related to your work. They are disappointed, regretful, and remorseful. Could also be the people in your surroundings. Others of you, you don't know them. They don't know you as well. Out of jealousy. That's life. Why the hangman in this reading? Tell me more about the hangman here, please. It is clarified as Australian D map. I told you. You are radiant and you are powerful. That's why they suffered in silence. Oh my gosh, because you radiate and you are sexy, you are powerful, you radiate, and they suffered in silence because they are being exposed, causing too much pain on you, backstabbing you, bad mouthing you. The illusion they painted on you are now exposed, the tower, and it ended up with the Five of Cups, which is disappointed, regretful, and remorseful. You're a jade and you are powerful because you are in this energy of an emperor and the strength. Now, all the wishes on you, they are now the one who experienced this. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it's resonates to you guys, just don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.